Okay, before I do my exhaust, I want to get the stock exhaust sound, measure the dB meters, what do I have after, just for my data. I don't want obnoxiously loud. I like my neighbors. I live in a nice area with cool neighbors. So okay, what do we have on the app? We have fluctuating around 70 decibels, idling from the back, as my exhaust will be coming out through the sides. I want to measure the sides as well. Slightly below 70 decibels. Okay, rev it up to 3K, leave it at 3K ish. That will be my riding RPMs. Over 70, 74 on the side. Yeah, keep the revs going. Yeah, rev it up again. Rev it up to 3K. $74-ish. Yep. Okay. I got my data. Knock it off. Okay, start her up.
Start it again.
Ignition on. Starter bar on the right.
On the right?
Yep.
This one.
Yep. Idling is a bit more. Okay, rev it up to 3K. Yep. Cool. She's loud, all right.
Yeah. Hard to keep track. Put my phone in my pocket. Oh shit. Crap.